Norwich Market is one of our city's most recognised locations. It's still a bustling centre of local trade, but what you may not realise is that this hub of commercial character and commerce has been on this site for over 900 years. We could easily spend days investigating the history of Norwich Market, but I've decided to focus on two of the oldest trades that have graced these fine stalls since Saxon times: the butcher and the fishmonger. Medieval butchery was a messy business. It was often difficult to get healthy animals to butcher, difficult to get clean water, and then what did you do with all of the unwanted bits? The debris was often deposited into waterways which led into the domestic supply. And then when you were handling all of those carcasses with those sharp instruments, if you just nicked yourself, it could quite easily lead to sepsis and even death. And refrigeration is vital for fishmongers. As we all appreciate, rotting fish is not exactly your aroma of choice. So how did they cope? Well, most people would have bought their fish daily and then preserved it by drying, salting or smoking it. Here we can see the old fish market in 1821. The linen sheets are acting as temporary covers. They're the forebearers of the coloured covers of today. The family of Malcolm Snelling have had a fishmonger stall on the market for 96 years, and he's worked here since he left school at the age of 15.
I remember when I was about 7 or 8, I used to get about sixpence or a shilling a week to go and run do my holidays getting water from the tap, what used to be around the old fish market, to come into the stalls, you know what I mean. And in the winter time we used to have an old paraffin heater to keep hot water, and you have to top that up, you know, because that's the only way you used to keep yourself warm.
So more than 900 years after the first fishmongers and butchers were here on Norwich Market on their stalls, enticing people with the freshest fish and the freshest meat, they're still here, and we love them for it. Right then, who wants some of this lovely sea bream? £3.50 for the bream. Come on in, knocking it out. Kippers, herrings, we've got the cod roe,